Our respected guests, welcome to the Ruang Motor Indonesia tourist bus. Before the trip begins, we will convey several things regarding safety and features on our bus. Our bus is equipped with USB charging gourd charger. We hope to continue to enjoy the trip and stay connected with loved ones. The electricity in our bus can only be used to charge hand phone batteries. It is prohibited to charge asterisks such as power bank, laptops, and cameras, either when the bus is moving or stopped. For additional safety, we provide seat belts on each seat. In an emergency, you can break the glass with a glass breaker which located at several points. We hope your belongings have been properly entered, fit in the upper compartment, and close it again when the vehicle is about to move. We also provide trash bins that dispose of trash in the trash bin. Our fleet is equipped a video audio-based Android to entertain you during the trip. Ladies and gentlemen, you can escort crew to at it. We also provide facilities. Hot water is also available, pillows, blankets, which you can choose. When making a reservation, please score. Marketing for additional facilities. Do not leave valuables. When getting off or finishing using our bus, losing and being left behind is not the responsibility of our crew and company. We hope today's trip becomes a fun trip. On behalf of the company, we say thank you for using Ruang Motor Indonesia tourist bus.